Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mani Evi Damayanti, NPM 2241189, Management Class 92C. Today I will discussing the topic of how psychological factors influence decision making in behavioral accounting. This area of study highlights the interaction of accounting and behavioral science, focusing on how emotion, bias, and mental shortcut shape financial decisions. What is behavioral accounting? Behavioral accounting examines how human behavior and psychology impact accounting process and decision. It moves beyond number to consider subjective factors such as emotion, cognitive bias, and social dynamic that influence how individuals interpret and use financial information. Next is psychological factor affecting decision making. The first is emotion. Emotion play a significant role in accounting decision. For example, is positive emotion like optimism can lead to risk-taking and opportunity-seeking behavior. Next is negative emotion like fear and anxiety result in conservative choice or aggressive judgment. Second is cognitive bias. Cognitive bias are systematic deviation from rational thinking that affect judgment. For instance, framing financial data positively might encourage investment, while negative framing might deter it. Third is heuristic, mental shortcut. Heuristic simplify complex problem but can lead to error. For example, availability heuristic, using easily recalled information rather than thorough analysis. And representativeness heuristic, making judgment based on perceived patterns rather than statistical evidence. Fourth is social dynamic. Group behavioral and organizational culture also impact decision making. Peer influence might lead to conformity in financial reporting. Leadership styles can shape ethical or unethical accounting practice. Next is application in accounting. Behavioral insights are applied in various areas. The first is budgeting, understanding emotional response to budget targets, improve planning. Second is auditing, detecting fraud by recognizing behavioral pattern. Third is performance evaluation, designing systems that account for motivational factors, enhance fairness and effectiveness. Next is strategy to mitigate psychology influence. To improve decision making, organization can. The first is provide training on recognizing bias and heuristic. Second is use structured decision making frameworks to reduce emotional interference. Third is foster ethical awareness through leadership and organizational policies. Last is conclusion. In conclusion, psychology significantly influences decision-making in behavioral accounting by shaping how individuals process information and make choice. By understanding these factors, organizations can design better systems that enhance decision quality and ethical standards. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation is useful for you. See you in the next video.